Using the Timecode panel. So I can go up to my Windows, come down to Timecode, and this is a panel that floats around, and it's nice and big and easy to see. And when I click over here and say my source, I have three different fields. The first is the master timecode. So it shows me at 6:28 or 6 seconds and 28 frames. It shows my total duration. This is the total duration of this piece of media, which is 22 seconds and 24 frames. And it also has the duration set by the in and the out. So from here to here, this total time is 6 seconds and 14 frames. So this is kind of nice because I can do my work.
Tugboats.
You can do my work and I can see this information nice and big, and it floats around and I can move it wherever I want. If I can get rid of it, I can just close the X. I can pick on another particular piece of information. If I want to watch another clip or whatever, I can come down to and say, well, let's take a look at this clip. And I can come in here and scrub over this thing type of thing and say, all right, I can go up to the view. I come back to timecode and it has the basic information on it. I don't think I'll use this clip, but anyway, it still has a nice, easy to read. So as I'm working and I need to work on particular frame by frames and concern myself with the durations and the ins and outs, this would be great. So I can say, well, that's pretty darn blurry from here to there. So I'll mark that in, and then, oh, that ain't so good. So maybe we want to clip that off, and yeah, it's pretty blurry. So I can mark it out, and you can see how the ins and outs have changed here. So you can use this timecode panel if you like it, because it is able to move around. You can close it and bring it back. It's just something extra for you to help visualize your timecode.